Well, would you look at this? We're talking about some more anime-related stuff today. Can you believe that? But it's not on this CD again. No. We're going to be talking about something much greater than that. Today's video sponsor, Linode, who I'll be talking about later on. For now, though, hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Now, in today's episode, yes, we're diving into the world of OS X once again, because something tells me you guys really liked the last video I did on this Windows 7 OS X CD. And for those of you who didn't see it, you can check it out here, but for those of you who did, we're going to be diving into the Windows 8 side of things today. Let me introduce you to You and I Madobe. Yes, they share the same surname as Nanami here, which lets you know that they're all just one big little family. And yeah, just like Nanami, these two were not actually created by Microsoft themselves, but they were used as promotional and marketing material in Japan, especially on Windows 8's launch, because if you went to the launch party / event thing, you could get armbands and mugs and see people cosplaying as them and whatever you want to call this. It sounded like an amazing time. And if you purchased a DSP license of Windows 8, you could walk away with one of these little bundles right here. And that's what we're going to be focusing on today. Not only did you get a CD, much like the Nanami Madobe one right here, in this package, but you also got a Microsoft Wedge mouse, a customized Microsoft Wedge mouse at that. And unlike this CD, which contains a couple of audio tracks, the one in here actually contains a desktop theme. So on the box, you've got Windows 8 Pro branding. Makes sense. It lets you know it's a DSP or Delivery Service Partner license. This little blurb right here is talking about a promotion they were doing relating to Nanami here. Hey, it's the Windows 7 Mania people again. Yes, I believe they were involved with the creation of these girls as well. We also, if we flip this over to the side, we've got a list of contents. We do have everything in here this time around. Same thing on this side here. And if we flip it over to the back, we've got that really awesome Windows timeline that we also saw on the Windows XP 20th Anniversary Special Edition that I did a video on, and that Windows Vista Alpha Plus Edition. Though it's not exactly the same because it goes up to Windows 8 this time around. Makes sense, right? So yeah, that's the exterior packaging. Let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what treasures lie within, which I already told you what lies within. We of course have that Microsoft Wedge mouse and the CD. So here's the main event, I would say, the theme pack CD, which we'll be diving into later on. Something of note, it actually says copyright 2012 Microsoft Corporation. Unlike on the Windows 7 CD here, there are no Microsoft copyright markings at all, and yes, I did translate this Japanese. Here's a side-by-side comparison for those curious, and yeah, the Windows 8 one has that Metro app design language going on there in the back, which I think is pretty fitting. So we don't have a sleeve insert like we do on the Windows 7 one here, but we'll certainly come back to this. We will set it aside for now, because the other thing we got to take a brief look at is the Microsoft Wedge Touch mouse. Now, ordinarily, this would not be the most exciting thing. I mean, sure, it is nice that they include a Wedge Touch mouse in this package, but this is not just any Wedge Touch mouse. It is a customized Wedge Touch mouse that features the OS X girls printed right on it. So there you go. This is not a sticker. These are printed on. You've got the Windows 8 logo right there underneath, and yeah, I think it's super cool. Well, here we are in Windows 8 RTM build 9200. Let's go ahead and jump into File Explorer here and take a look at what we have on the CD. So we've got three folders, a .desk theme pack file and an RTF document, which pretty much just goes through and tells you what's on the CD. Unfortunately, we can't apply the theme. What you're supposed to do is double click on this .desk theme pack file, and it's supposed to open up the personalization settings and automatically apply the theme. But when we do that, it just doesn't do anything. It's quite annoying, and of course we have to have something go wrong in an MJD video, even if it's something very minor, because the good thing is we can still take a look at the theme because we have all the contents on this CD, but I find this just really bizarre. I tried this on a Windows 8.1 virtual machine as well, which it wasn't even designed for 8.1. Windows 8.1 didn't exist when this theme was created, but I just tried it to change a variable, what operating system we were applying it on. It didn't make a difference. It did nothing on Windows 8.1 as well. We've got 3 folders. This first one is all of the audio files. You've got 3 folders actually within the audio files folder, and we will come back to this because there are a decent amount to go through. We've got this second folder here, which contains the 3 desktop wallpapers. And this third folder has the picture password image. What we can also do is copy over the .desc theme pack file. What you can do is rename it to a .cab file to view the contents of it. So say if you didn't have all this other stuff here, you would still open this up and view the images and the sounds and the .theme file right here. Now there are far more sounds inside of the sound folder on the root of the CD than there are in the actual theme file here. We'll just go through them here. This first folder appears to pretty much be onomatopoeias or kind of trying to mimic sound effects. So yeah, there you go. Now this second one here has more voice lines, and by that I mean, actual like statements rather than just making a noise. So let's just go through them here. So there you go. I was able to pick up a handful of these in here. Like one of them very clearly said like system error, or you could pretty much tell that what it would translate to would be like system error. And you heard there are a couple repeats, but not exactly, because this is just one of the voice actresses. Like let's play this one here. So that that sound we heard in here, but it's both of the voice actresses for both of these characters. Like at the same time. Or it's just the same recording but overlap to make it sound like there's 2 separate people. And then the third one here, you've got 5 sounds. Yeah, these are definitely new lines, and it looks like this one's asking you a question. Yeah, that's definitely asking you a question. So yeah, these are, I think this has to do with the launch event. Yeah, this one right here. Is it okay to meet? This one, I think is about a PC building. Like, do you want to build a PC? Something like that. I'm not going to be able to give you an exact translation based off what Google Translate says. Let's go ahead and apply the wallpapers here. So we'll just copy these over to the desktop. And we're going to go to desktop background, browse for the desktop, and just select all those. So this is her in front of a computer here with the wedge mouse and what looks like a Microsoft Surface and probably a Lumia or some Windows phone. Yeah, this is before Windows Phone was discontinued. Gosh, what a time to be alive. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so this is them standing in Akihabara. That's my best attempt at pronouncing that, which is where the launch event I mentioned earlier was held. If I haven't said that now, now I've said it. And that's also what these let me go back here. It's also what these audio files refer to when it's saying, like, do you want to go to Akihabara? I think she says that in here. Was that it? I think it was this one where she says, like, do you want to go to Akihabara? I can hear Aki, but I don't know if that's... I just assume that's Akihabara, but yeah, anyway, this is the second wallpaper. Let's just say that before we dive into, like, the history of, like, how this was created. Okay, we're gonna go to the next desktop background, and this is one of them with a Microsoft Surface there. You got some cookies and coffee or tea, probably. You got that same Windows Phone and, like, a notepad here. Pretty nice. And let's go back here and take a look at the picture password image. We're going to type in our real password, which is super secure, as you can see. And we just choose our photo. Oh my gosh, you have to... this is already annoying. Okay. Oh, there it is. It's on the... It's like, it doesn't just give you, like, the file browser. You just got to go through and, like, click on go up or whatever. Okay, so we'll click on this. We'll open it up. There it is. So we use this picture, and then we draw 3 gestures on it. So let's go, maybe we circle her head, and then we circle her head, and then we circle there. And then we just do it again. So we go, yay, yay, and yay. Congratulations. So now, when we lock the computer, and we go here, and then we have to just draw our gestures. Of course, this is meant to be used on a tablet computer where you can do this much more efficiently, but you can do it with your mouse. There's nothing stopping you. And yeah, I mean, of course, you can just use whatever image you want for this. If you want to use, like, you know, this one here, and then use this and just draw, like, you know, here, here, and here over the lights, here, here, and here. There you go. There's nothing stopping you from doing that. And there's nothing stopping you from using that picture password wallpaper as the desktop background. Definitely a really awesome theme pack. Just like today's video sponsor, Linode. Oh yeah, you had to know I was going there. Linode's Linux virtual machines help over 1 million people with their cloud computing needs every day. Whether you're looking to host a website, game server, or pretty much anything else, they've got you covered with affordable plans starting at just $5 per month. And their app marketplace makes it incredibly easy to get started, with a wide selection of applications and game servers to choose from. They've got website creation tools like WordPress and Joomla, game servers including Minecraft and Terraria. Heck, they've even got a dedicated Kali Linux option now, and no, not this monstrosity that I showed you last year. Even better, as a thank you for watching this video, Linode is giving everybody who signs up through my link down below a free $100 credit that you can use on any of their cloud computing services for 60 days. That'll get you 2 months worth of a quad-core Linode with 8GB of RAM and 160GB of SSD storage for completely free. So be sure to check them out, and huge thank you again to Linode for helping me buy awesome stuff like this to showcase on the channel. Well, there you have it, guys. That is a look at the Windows 8 Anime Bundle Pack CD thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, get subscribed, all that good stuff. And as always, I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.